Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. This week I put up this on Instagram where I asked y'all if y'all have any questions regarding YouTube, YT, content creation, Instagram, anything. I've got y'all covered because I'm going to answer most of them today. Also, I have picked up the most asked 8 questions, but if you'll have asked something and I've not covered it, put down in the comments and I'll get back with y'all. Also, y'all must be wondering why am I glammed so much. It is because I'm doing a Navratri series this year for the first time, and there are gonna be 9 reels coming up on my IG, my Instagram. So I'm not doing a reel on the last day, but the first 9 days till Ashtami Navmi, I have 9 reels for y'all, and reels are going up every day. So I was just filming for that, got done with it, and now filming for YT. So please check my Instagram. I'm posting my social IG, social handle over here. So do check it out. I have this diary over here where I've written down all the questions. And without wasting any further time, let's straight away dive into the video. Now to begin with, the first question, keeping it quite simple. So it is, what do you like more, YouTube or Instagram? It has no doubt. It has to be YouTube for sure. 100% YouTube. So I'm a big consumer of YouTube content. I consume a lot of videos on YouTube, and it's been going on since I think more than 10 years now, back like from back in my school days and all. I've been consuming content on YouTube, so it has to be YouTube. I've been watching it since PopXO days. So like when Komal Pandey, Cherry Jane, all those people used to shoot for PopXO, I've been watching YouTube since then and it has never stopped. And me being me right now, I am a content creator on YouTube. So I've always loved doing this, and that's why I have my channel on it right now. Now, the next question is how easy or difficult it is to be on such a big platform. Okay, so it is not at all easy. It is difficult. I would agree to that. And it has multiple reasons to it. So the cybercrimes increasing like today is just crazy. It's increasing in numbers day by day. I've seen so many people who are having million views, million subscribers on their channel. Not only YouTube, even Instagram, their channels, their content creation pages are getting hacked, and like if you get your channel back, it's fine, but if you don't, it's just waste. Your years and years of hard work just goes waste in just seconds. So that is one of the reason. Number two is that you're putting out content on such a big platform. You have to be aware of what you're speaking and what you're thinking. You just can't keep blabbering rubbish on such a big social media platform. You should be aware of what you're talking. Like even for me, even though I put like any video, I will watch it like 2-3 times before it goes live on my channel. I will see what I'm talking, I will rewatch it, I will check my editing twice, thrice before it goes up on my channel, because later I don't want anything to happen. So you have to be very mindful what you are doing, talking, speaking on such a big social media platform. So again, that is the second thing why it is difficult. Number three is that you have to be consistent. You have to be very much consistent. Even after being consistent, your channel won't grow like one shot may, it won't see an upward trend. It will take time. I've been on this platform since 1.5 years now, and I've learned a lot about it. So yes, you have to be consistent. Number four would be that this market, like the social media platform, the social media market is becoming so cluttered right now that every other person is doing content creation. Even on YouTube, there are so many small YouTubers coming up, and like just every other person wants to do this. So it is difficult to maintain yourself on such a big platform and to sustain, just basically to sustain on this social media platform. So all these reasons sum up why is it difficult. The next one, do you get paid or have you started earning from content? So I haven't started getting money from content as of now. One of the mandatory criteria is that you need 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which I'm close to getting it. But the second criteria says that I will pop up over here on the screen. I'm not exactly sure about it. But the second one is that you need some views, like I guess 10 million views on shorts in 3 months. I'm not sure about it. I'll just like put a picture on the screen, but I think it is somewhat similar to this. And the second one was that you need 4,000 watch hours in I guess 30 days or 3 months, again I'm not sure. So you need any one of the criteria fulfilled among the two, but the 1,000 subscribers is a mandatory one. To be honest, getting 1K subscribers is still easier, but fulfilling the other criteria is a bit challenging because you need like one video or one shot which just blows up and it does well. So if something like this happens, then only you can achieve the second target. Now the fourth one, collab with brands. This is such a heavy topic to talk about, to be honest. Now for me personally, I started getting collabs I think 2 months back or something, after posting on after posting for 1 year on both the platforms consistently, like 2 months before I started getting brand collabs and all. But I no, not 2 months also, I think in the month of May or something, a few months back. Now we are in the month of October. So yeah, but I was busy doing with something else and I rejected all of this collabs because I did not even get time to think about it. Again, I was busy with something, so I didn't take up any collabs, and I don't mind it also because I'm not a person who does skincare, makeup, and all so much. It is very rare, like, you will rarely see me doing all such things. So I don't even mind it either. But if something else comes up, let's see in the future what it has to offer, and if something happens, I will let you all know. But collabs, since I haven't taken anything, I'm not the right person to talk about it. So yeah. Now, when does your channel monetize? So YouTube has a lot of criterias. I am not sure about Instagram, but YouTube, as I mentioned earlier, 1,000 subscribers and fulfilling one of the criterias. I'm not repeating that again. And I think even after you fulfill all these criterias, there is some other thing which I had just read it or seen it somewhere recently. I can't recollect. But after fulfilling these criteria, there's one more criteria which you have to fill. I think it's the $100 time frame or something, and then you start getting paid. So it's a long way to go. It's not easy, and looking at people coming on this platform right now, it is not at all easy. The only thing you need to do is focus on yourself, and that's it. Now, how do you grow your channel? Okay, one of the main thing, or I could say the prime key, is consistency. But looking at today's crowd on YT or on Instagram, the number of influencers coming up and the number of creators just boosting up in today's time, or just how clustered or cluttered this has become. Even after being consistent, you don't get lakhs and thousands of views on one video or something. It takes a lot of time, lot of patience, lot of hard work to brainstorm ideas, to come up videos every week, twice a week on both the platforms. It is not at all easy. But I've seen those big YouTubers now putting up strategies and all about how to grow your channel or content creation in 2024. I don't even believe in all those videos, because if something would like that be there, everyone would watch those videos and just become big and famous. but I don't believe. I just believe that you just like keep putting content and all, and we'll see where it goes. But be consistent. There are strategies and all available on the internet. Personally, I haven't tried those, so I can't comment on it. But I don't know really how to, grow your channel. I've just grown my channel organically, and that is all I know. Okay, the last two to go now. One is about faking for views. Faking for views. See, I don't fake for views, sorry. So I can't comment on it, but then I have like my personal opinion is what I feel is that how many days will you fake for views? Maybe a month, maybe 2 months. Can you fake for views for years and years? It's a complete no, right? So it's better to be organic, post your content organically, and then when you grow famous, when you grow big, when people will meet you, what will they think about it? It will create negativity, it will create hate. So it's better just to be the way you are since the very beginning. And what's the harm of being like that? What's the harm of being organic? It is absolutely fine. So just don't worry, just be organic and just film, post content, and think like whatever you speak, just think before it, and yeah, you're good to go. Okay, now coming to the last one. What do you feel about hate comments? Again, I am not the right person to talk about it because I am still a small YouTuber who will complete a 1K subscribers soon, so I am not the right person to talk about it because, to be honest, I haven't received hate as of now. I am quite small for that. I mean, small in terms of numbers. Seeing to at this platform, people are having millions and 10 millions and whatnot subscribers. So I haven't received hate. Maybe after a few years, I might expect something like that. Not thinking about it right now. It's just long way to go. So I don't know. I don't have any answer for this. Okay, with that we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked my look for today. Since I was filming for Navratri, I thought why not just shoot the same way. But I hope you all liked the video of today, answering your questions. It was actually an assumptions video, but I just turned into a question video. I don't mind it. Yeah, but I hope I answered most of the questions, like the trendy questions or the most familiar questions which I'd come across. Yeah, that's that. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also watch my Navratri series. I will pop up a few videos over here for you all to watch. Ending it right here. So bye bye.